Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the White Rose Home Learning resources online. So this is if you're unable to print out the worksheets. So you need to log on to White Rose and click on the Home Learning tab at the top of the page, and then you'll need to select your year group. Now if you're in year 1 to year 6, you're going to start on week 1 at the top. If your child is in early years, you'll need to start where it says summer term, week 1 there. So I'm going to select some resources. I'm going to go into year 3. So if your child is in year 3, this is what you do. So you go to week 1 and you open up the first tab. And this is the activity sheet, and then there's a PowerPoint. So you watch the little video with your child, then you download this activity sheet. Now, one way of doing this is you can screen capture. So I'm going to press the top button and the bottom button at the same time. I'm going to capture my image. Now this is now saved into images, and now as your child works through the sheet, they can actually write the answers onto the sheet with their pen. So choose a colour, and you can then save that and then mark that with your child. Now if you prefer to do it on pencil and paper, the other option is you can use a piece of paper and you can teach your child to say 1A and then write the answer, 1B and write the answer, and then when you go back onto the website you can actually check your answers because answers are included. So just to repeat again, when you click on Home Learning, you'll need to choose your year group and then start on week 1, and you can capture the sheet or you can use pen and paper to write your answers.